Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the BabyDragon token. Name of the token is BabyDragon and ticker symbol is also BabyDragon, and this token is about to start their pre-sale very soon, in under a day here on pinksale.finance. This is going to be a public pre-sale. You don't need to be on a whitelist or anything like that. It's on the Binance Smart Chain. They have a full audit. We're going to go over the information on the BabyDragon token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. The BabyDragon token. Welcome to the world of BabyDragon, a revolutionary meme cryptocurrency on the Binance Smart Chain. Incubated by the Akatsuki team, renounced ownership, no team tokens, no private sale, no tax, LP locked for a year, DEX tools and DEX view trending. And so there's 9 decimal places on this token. Name of the token is Baby and then space Dragon, and BabyDragon, all one word, is the ticker symbol. They have a full audit by Analytics Audit. You can review the PDF of that on PinkSale. And they have a Telegram you could join at BabyDragon Home. It says, "We know you missed Dragon. You also missed Doge Grok. You can't miss BabyDragon, the next 1,000 times gem." They only have 33 Telegram subscribers so far, so not a lot of attention yet. This token literally just got put into the Launchpad list section, though, on PinkSale, so it's a brand new project. Now, their Twitter, I'm going to put in the corner of the screen over there so you guys can easily find that. It just joined in January 2024 on Twitter, so that's how brand new this project is. Only 3 tweets on there so far. At BabyDragon_BSC. 2,126 Twitter followers, though, so far. Doing pretty well there. And, basically just has the same pre-sale information there on their Twitter. Nothing new yet. And their webpage you can find at babydragon.io. Over there you're going to find how to buy, and that would be for after the pre-sale. So they'd be talking about PancakeSwap. There's a buy now button that'll take you to PancakeSwap when it's live. They got info, contact information, roadmap, tokenomics, all that type of stuff on their webpage. Now there's 9 decimal places on this token. There is a total supply here of 420 quadrillion tokens. Initial market cap estimate for this project here is $4,677. It's a public pre-sale where max contribution is going to be 1 BNB. Soft cap is going to be 10 BNB, and there is no hard cap, so basically the pre-sale is just going to run until time runs out. And it's going to start exactly January 8th, 13 hours UTC time, and run for 2 days until January 10th, 13 hours UTC time. Now, if you end up missing the pre-sale, shortly after the pre-sale is over, this token will be going over to PancakeSwap for purchase. You'll be able to get it over there by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Binance Smart Chain, going into the dApps, finding PancakeSwap, and then trading your BSC for the BabyDragon token using the contract address that you can find on their official webpage, babydragon.io. Now, you probably will not have to worry about slippage because it says 0% buy and sell tax. Maybe 0.5% at the most. And it says liquidity will be locked for 365 days. Now, according to their token metrics allocation pie chart here, 62.64% of the tokens go to pre-sale, 30.34% of the tokens go to liquidity, 7% of the tokens go to central exchange listings. So I wonder if they know which ones yet, but hopefully there is some central exchange listings in the future. So it says, cute BabyDragon is the future. BabyDragon is building an ecosystem. Right on their webpage, they have their contract address, and then it says their partners on here, DexView, Pink Sale. It says they have a full white paper. Let's see if that's available, actually. And no, it doesn't look like it's available yet. So some of the links are on here, like they're going to load up eventually, but they're not available yet. Like the buy now button, the DexView chart is not available yet. The white paper is not available yet, but they're most likely in the works. Now they do have an audit on Pink Sale that you could check out. So welcome to the world of BabyDragon, a revolutionary meme cryptocurrency on the Binance Smart Chain network. Born in the realm of digital finance, BabyDragon is not just a token, it's a symbol of agility, strength, and untamed spirit of innovation in the blockchain universe. At BabyDragon, we believe in creating a cryptocurrency that's more than just a digital asset. It's a community-driven journey towards a decentralized future. Our mission is to empower our users with a token that is not only fun and engaging, but also secure and reliable. So they show you step by step, kind of exactly how I explained it on how to get this token off PancakeSwap later, but they talk about like creating a wallet as well, things like that. So if you want to follow that step by step later on, if you don't know how to do that, you could do that right on their webpage. Has their social links, tokenomics, we pretty much went over all that. And besides that, they have a roadmap on here, starting with phase 1, launch, community building, website and social media launch, pre-sale event, so that's kind of where we're at right now. Afterwards will be Ask Me Anything sessions. Phase 2 is going to be listings and partnerships, major exchange listings, strategic partnerships, with key players in the crypto space, okay? Phase 3, BabyDragon ecosystem expansion, staking and governance, NFT integration, cross-chain compatibility, so maybe Ethereum. Phase 4, global adoption, outreach to new markets, continued development and innovation, and then merch. Always need the merch. Now, frequently asked questions are on here as well. There's 3 of them. One is them about Pink Sale. Another one's about the smart contract and assurance and verification services. They're also partners with AveDex and Akatsuki. I believe I did a video on something from their team or project there, because that symbol looks familiar, that red cloud there. I believe they had another token out in the past. So yeah, go check them out as well. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or what? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info is. And leave a comment down there. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.